Whoa, let's rewind for a moment. Today we're at Bobbejaanland for the Halloween event. So this means I'm about to face my biggest fear. It is not the scare actors. Or the haunted houses. And it's not even this giant clown looming over me. No, the thing that scares me the most is this. Sledge Hammer. Sledge Hammer is a HUSS Giant Frisbee, swinging riders to a height of 42 meters or 138 feet, and has a maximum angle of 120 degrees. It was the next step in my quest to get over my fear of flat rides. Let's do a quick recap. Early 2024, I decided I wanted to get over my fear of flat rides, and most notably the swinging ship. So, in Toverland, I rode my first ever pirate ship, SCARIEST. This left me with one notable ship to conquer, which was the Half a Man at the Efteling. It is one of the tallest ships around, and while I haven't been able to get the furthest back seat as of yet, I consider this fear beaten. So, the next step was to mix it up by taking on frisbees, starting with Tomahawk at Bobbejaanland. But this is where I had a setback. The next step up would have been Nautilus at Drievliet, but it turns out I'm either too tall or too fat, because the restraints couldn't close far enough around my shoulders. And this brings us back to Bobbejaanland. Honestly, I already gave up on this idea. I mean, look at this weather. But it cleared up, and after a few roller coasters, a friend dragged me along, onto Sledge Hammer. We had no wait. Could just walk in. I'm actually terrified. So, first time Sledge Hammer. This is nothing like the smaller ones I've done. There we go. Floor's gone. Then swing. This is so weird. That's so high up already. Oh my god. I'm glad I got dragged into this for now. Oh my god, you can just look down on Fury. Oh, the forces on the bottom as well. Holy shit. Okay, I think that was it already. It's a pretty short cycle. I survived Sledge Hammer, yay! Okay, it was fun. It was fun. Show your support by subscribing or liking, also good. Oh my god. I would do it again. I would do it again. And so I did, after the night fell and I recorded footage on your screen. The best way to get over a fear is to keep exposing yourself to it, just like I did in this video with my fear of heights. Check it out, if you dare.